Good morning. This is a collaboration video with JUNKERNECKER and Indiana Jones. This is JUNKERNECKER's channel. It's entitled Home Tweet Home, where we took a birdhouse or a bird cage and reinvented it for decor. JUNKERNECKER has a lot of videos that are great. She does a lot of the coastal and the nautical themes. I love her channel. She has a lot of great things on there. Check her out. Also, here's Annie Jones's channel. She has a lot of great things on her channel as well. They're both the host of the Home Tweet Home Challenge. I'm going to check out her channel as well. Like her videos and subscribe. You won't be disappointed in their videos. I decided to join a collaboration challenge for Home Tweet Home. It's we do a bird house or a bird cage, and this is my part that I'm starting. I'm making a picket fence out of popsicle sticks at this moment. I've taken the regular popsicles and I'm cutting the ends off, the round part of it, as you can see right there, clipping those off so that I have just a plain plank like this. See, yeah, and then I'm cutting it in half, and from then I am making a picket out of it, just like that. And so I'm gonna have, so I've got a bunch to do because I want this tray here is going to be my base for my birdhouse. I'm making it like an oasis or a bird in paradise type thing, I guess. But anyway, so I'm working on my popsicles. When I get to that stage, I'll let you know. Okay, I've painted all the pieces of my picket fence white, and I'm waiting for them to dry. While I'm waiting, I'm going to apply this reindeer moss. I'm going to glue it on this here. This is going to be like a little hill or my little garden for my birdhouse. This is the basic birdhouse. I'm going to add some touches to it, and then the little picket fence is going to come around. It's going to have a little archway. I'm hoping that's going to turn out, but it's going to be like a little gazebo, and I'll doll up I'm going to do a few touches to the birdhouse to make it a little more dressy, so the birds will be happy. Okay, I have glued all the reindeer moss all around the tray to form my heel. So I'm going to let that dry. The paint sticks are still drying, or the popsicles that are going to be the picket fence are still drying. So that's the stage I'm at right now. Okay, here is my birdhouse. I made the little picket fence out of popsicles. I had some topiary ornaments that I had made left over from my fairy garden challenge in the little little miniature pot. The sign says "Enjoy life," and I put the little embellished wood for the trim on there. I decoupage this paper, scrapbook paper that I had left over from a pot that I did for the fairy garden. I thought, well, I'll just tie it all together, and I placed it all on this tray where I had glued all this deer moss to make a little setting. I think it came out cute. And sit out here on my little stool. I think this looks nice. Oh, and the bird. He's resting on the top. There you go. My birdhouse.